Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the current affairs of May 15. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of CBSE board? The new chairperson of CBSE board is Manoj Ahuja. He has replaced Mrs. Anita Karwal. He is an IAS officer belonging to 1990 Odisha cadre, and before taking over CBSE, he was serving as the special director in the Department of Personnel and Training in Labasna, that is Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, the academy in which IAS officers are trained. And who is Rajiv Gauba? Rajiv Gauba is the current Cabinet Secretary of India, and Sunil Arora is the Chief Election Commissioner of India. Government says Arogya Setu data, which is used for coronavirus tracking, will be stored maximum for how many days? It will be stored for 180 days. International Nurses Day is celebrated around the world on which date? It is celebrated on 12th of May. And what was the theme of International Nurses Day 2020? It was nursing the word to health. And why is it celebrated? It is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale every year. And the year 2020, this year marks the 200th birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. The Champions portal, which is www.champions.gov.in, has been launched by which of the following ministries? It has been launched by Ministry of MSME. And who is the Minister of MSME? It is Nitin Gadkari. And why this portal has been launched? This portal has been launched to support MSME so that they can become national and global champions. And the full form of champions is creation and harmonious application of modern process for increasing the output and national strength. There is no need to remember the full form, but you only need to remember that it has been launched by Ministry of MSME. Which social security scheme of government completed its 5 years on 12th of May 2020? It is Atal Pension Yojana. So Atal Pension Yojana was launched by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi in 2015 at Kolkata, and this scheme has been implemented by PFRDA, that is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, which is under the Finance Ministry. It is very important. Which airport was chosen as the best regional airport in India and Central Asia at Skytrax Award 2020? It was Kempegowda International Airport, which is in Karnataka, Bengaluru. And Singapore's Changi Airport was voted the world's best airport. And Haneda Airport, which is in Tokyo, Japan, was awarded world's cleanest airport. Award of the best airport staff in India and Central Asia was given to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, which is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And the world's most improved airports 2020 was given to Paris Orly Airport. So the answer to this question is Kempegowda International Airport. In order to solve the problem of disinfecting larger places, an innovative technology named AirLens minus Corona has been developed by a team of all of the above, that is AIMS, IIT and Stanford University alums. The answer to this question is all of the above. And this device will be very helpful. It will go to hospitals, bus stops, railway stations, shopping malls and other public places, so as to sterilize the surfaces and it has a water based technology which is really cost efficient, and it is also safer. International Day of Family is observed every year on 15th of May. Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launched a helpline in Odisha to help students relieve their distress amid COVID-19. What is the name of that helpline? The name of that helpline is Bharosa. And what is the aim of this helpline? And to provide emotional support to the students. CSIR, National Aerospace Laboratory, NAL, Bangalore has developed a non-invasive BiPAP ventilator. And what is the name of that ventilator? It is Swasth Vayu. In Swasthvayu, there is no need of any special nursing to operate this ventilator. It is very easy to operate. And this ventilator was developed in a record time of 36 days, which is quite amazing. CSIR, you know what is CSIR? CSIR is a governmental organization which conducts industrial research and development in energy and the defense sectors. So this ventilator will be very helpful for the treatment of moderate or the mid-stage severe COVID-19 patients. First Indian to win Fed Cup Heart Award for Asian Zone. The answer to this question is Sania Mirza. So Sania Mirza won the Fed Cup Heart Award for Asian Zone, and after winning uh, the prize, she donated the prize money to Telangana CM Relief Fund. And for this award, as COVID-19 is going on, so an online voting was done for this award, and she received more than 10,000 votes out of uh, approximately 70,000 votes that were cast online. And one important thing you have to remember that this Fed Cup Heart Award is an initiative of ITF. ITF is International Tennis Federation, and the headquarter of ITF is London, UK. Why this award has been given? To recognize the tennis players who represent their countries in the Fed Cup. And please don't get confused between ITF and ITFF. ITTF is an international table tennis federation which is headquartered in Lausanne, Switzerland. ITTF is the governing body for all the national table tennis associations, and ITF is International Tennis Federation. So don't get confused. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe